About one confusion, Bessie.
Now there will be confusion during the election.
Party or lose Subeka Swampany.
The party that will lose will not agree with the results.
Or no so ban Honsa Mempene, Yantin Sukrum, young cause confusion, Yampene.
And in the process, there will be some revolts.
Or no so ban against a court. But it will never work. Me who Supreme Court is your.
Now I saw
Supreme Court is your and sense is your.
I saw the Supreme Court building.
Modia momo date na monchro sa na besi. Ana me hu ensonoma star etete e was Supreme Court no so. And
I saw that there were sparkling stars on the building of the Supreme Court. Inside. And so the Lord took me into the chamber of the court. Into the court took me
prophetic word
into the courtroom. Now this is not politics, it is not counsel. Now prophecy. I am not intervening or interceding. I am prophesying, so this is prophecy. All of a sudden I saw a paper.
NDC.
Now on the paper I saw that NDC was written on the paper. And I saw that the paper was hovering, was moving, was flying in the midst of the courtroom. All of a sudden I saw fire, or I saw that the paper caught fire and the paper burnt into ashes. And the Lord said to me, it is Nana Addo Dankwa that he has chosen for Ghana.
Supreme Court intimacy sound and
the Supreme Court cannot change the mind and the plan of God about Nanado.
Say NDC for betieme. No mun kaso osu bempa de otan NDC. Na mo betie masama Supreme Court na mo kono mun twaso mo ko sesika. Hwe asem no hu. Ebeya mo wanwa. Mo ankasa mo behu se munim sakran kama amfa court. Minim charges na gene. And minim evidence kuta NDC, but I'm telling you, me kasa so nyame difo. Me say in the name of the Lord. Me say in the name of the Lord. I'm speaking under the unction of God. That says the Lord. That says the Lord. Asemono enkosihwe. Enti NDC for muntie masem ana ya mo sametamo mentamo. Me na meka no kura na kire mo. Ba enokura neka eya. Ana nitie eden. Ti wan hwe ya obekwa kotia na sesem. Ubunsa na sesem no. Ama wahwe ase. Se mo betie masem na this time mo beka so osu bempa this time de ye ni watem. Na nyame anim ne hu so ye nyame difo. De waka ne yatie. Enti Supreme Court ne yagyae. Na mo nyama adwene se bia manyofo bi na ahye me kutupa se me mekeka nsem wei emfa mu mabam mo feel se mo kokota mo bedi nkunim tiro nso bempa hye na bekeka saa se be ya court no ka be twe asan me nuanu me tegana ha me se de awurade ma me hu ye no no pipa ne nam Supreme Court de mu yan se jatom hye dane nso NDC pipa no enti saa ne ma na o ma faale de court no muntie me this time they muntie me for the first time NDC because when mudi matama na mudi matami na semfie bi achi nyame fa me so prophesy send this na eba aban mu a eti mu bedi matam ana mo ba me den because anything can happen na dia mu mudi matam NDC for matam didie no mo hwe ba kakra mo ba yo mo sen mo bedi matam sa for ba hu se edo so ben pagina mo prophesy be kwa mo side no o sa ma fere because mimi onyame difo de onyame be mamu hu na meka bra bi atwa mu nyame yikiram se NDC me kan eduru MPP so estatifri papa kofo so eno so me kan awurade kasa kire me se ɔfa me so de papa Akufo atena Ghana konya so na esi ene duru na nado so esi enu nti no se bre bi ba na beduru NDC fo so a ento osu bempa be ka ana wonka. I'm telling you, me professor and come on. Na ma ye di onyame pese me ye bia come on. But nyame nyama mi hunu